All right, let's jump right in. There's this huge debate happening right now, and it's a big one. It's about the entire future of learning. It kind of feels like we're watching this massive face-off between brand new tech and, well, old school tradition. And it really all comes down to this one question. Who, or what, is going to be teaching the next generation?
And this is pretty much how the conversation is framed, isn't it? It's always a straight-up, head-to-head battle. You've got AI tutors in one corner, they can scale up, they're super personalized, always on. And in the other corner, you've got human teachers bringing all that empathy, that mentorship, that human touch. It's a simple one or the other showdown, and that's how most of us are thinking about where education is headed.
So yeah, the main story we keep hearing is that these two are on a collision course. It's framed like this unavoidable clash for control of the classroom.
And what's really driving all this is just how fast everything is changing. I mean, education is evolving at lightning speed. And that pace, that's what makes it feel like this big showdown is coming. It's like we're all on this runaway train and we're being told we have to pick a track, right now. But what if that's not the only choice? What if we're just looking at the whole thing the wrong way?
And that brings us to a totally different way of thinking about this, a new thesis, a new idea that suggests maybe we don't have to choose a side at all.
So instead of getting stuck on which one is better, the whole idea here is to ask a much more interesting question. What if we asked, how can both work together to create smarter, more engaging learning experiences? Just that one question. It completely flips the script, doesn't it? It's not about a fight anymore, it's about teamwork.
So once you move beyond that versus thinking, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. We stop asking AI or humans, and we can start asking really productive questions like, how can AI make great teachers even better? Or how can human teachers help guide how we build these AI tools?
And this idea has a name. It's called the collaborative model. It's super simple, really. It just means AI tools and human teachers team up instead of competing. Think about it. Picture an AI tutor that can handle all the repetitive stuff, like personalized math problems, and it can figure out exactly where a student is getting stuck instantly. What does that do? It frees up the human teacher to do what they do best: mentoring, sparking creativity, and actually getting kids excited about learning. See? Each side plays to its strengths, and the result is way better for the student. So how do we actually get there? Well, it's a pretty clear path. Step one is just admitting that, hey, this change is here to stay. We can't ignore it. Step two is we have to actively reframe how we think about it. We have to ditch that versus mindset for good. And once we've done that, then we can start building real solutions that are designed for collaboration right from the start. It's really just about acknowledging reality, changing our perspective, and then taking action. And let's be clear, the whole point of this collaboration isn't just about having cool new gadgets in the classroom. The real goals are to create learning experiences that are just plain smarter and way more engaging for students. That's the end game. That's what this is all about. So really, this whole collaborative model isn't about having all the answers. Not at all. It's actually the start of a much better conversation, one that stops being about the fear of being replaced and starts getting excited about what we can build together. Which brings us right back to where we started, but now maybe we see it a little differently. After looking at this collaborative idea, what do you think? Is the future all about AI tutors? Is it about human instructors? Or, and this is the big question, is the most powerful answer actually both? It's the same question, but hopefully now it feels a little different.